Hello sports fans, welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Gonna go on just a little hike today, just down a BLM 4x4 road with Ninja. So come and join us. It's gonna be real short. So just taking a walk with Ninja. Come on, let's get going. It's always slow. Yeah, that's a big Sororo. A big canyon. It's looking to the west, the sun setting behind us. I'm sorry, that's looking to the east, the sun setting behind us. Total trash over there. Somebody must have had a camp set up for a long time. Homeless, drug user maybe. A lot of druggies out here, I could tell. And here's our road. Let's get going. What a beautiful sunset. Trash. And no, I'm not talking about you, Ninja. Lots of people shooting in the distance. Not the place to come for a nice relaxing vacation, but a place to come and camp for free. And this trail is a marked BLM trail. No cars or Jeeps, but it says it's okay for motorcycles, quads, and side-by-sides. Yeah, I don't think you don't want to take anything else. Well, I guess a good 4x4 truck could make it, but. And there she is, taking her sweet time. Probably not excited that we're headed towards the gunshots. But she's slowly making her way. Come on. Definitely could see the valley out to the east better. But you can also hear the shooters a lot better. There's some of them now. Most of them leave behind all their rounds and their trash. Pretty sad. It is a beautiful area. You can see there's a BLM trail marker there. And right at the top of the hill there where that white marker is, well, it looks white from here, that's the main road in. So I didn't know this connected. Now I do. Well, like I promised, it was real short. The sunset sure was pretty. Thanks for coming along with us. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It's free. And also, subscribing is free if you haven't already. Love to have you get alerts anytime I post a new video. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.